most short-term traders lose money, isn't it the case that rather like smoking, it's better just not to enter the market?
I don't think it's up to me to have a view on that. I can tell you my personal view. I don't trade myself. I've studied a lot of traders. I don't think I've got the makeup for it. But also I believe that, as a ordinary punter sitting in the market, that actually I just don't have the timing and information advantages that will enable me to beat the market. And if I don't have timing and information advantages that will enable me to beat the market, especially with the kind of transactions costs I have to carry compared with someone sitting at a desk inside an investment bank, then if I'm going to invest, maybe buy the market and hold is the most sensible strategy for me. On the other hand, I recognise that there are plenty of people who get a great deal of enjoyment from trading, from wrestling with it, from the ups and downs of the market. There are certainly some traders in the retail space who have developed records of consistently earning money. But there's an awful lot of people I've noticed, especially because I've talked to lots of people at various kinds of money and trade fairs and had lots of conversations, and I have the sense that there's lots of people who come into this trading space with unrealistic expectations about how long it takes to learn and what kinds of returns you can make. If you can make a few points above the market return, then you're doing really well. And yet constantly I come across people who are spending money on course after course after course, and you have this sense that, maybe it's a bit like Scientology, that I've got to this level, they've let me inside this, but if I can only get into the inner sanctum, someone will tell me those secrets which will allow me to make a few trades and suddenly have a Lamborghini. Doesn't work like that. But I think that's the dream that some people are buying into. And the truth is there's a whole ecology of people out there who like to promote that dream and take money off you in the process. So is it possible to make money as a day trader? Some people seem to, and some people seem to consistently. They're very much the minority. Is it possible to learn to do that? Possibly. Some people seem to have. Those who are making money very often will have learned their trade inside an investment bank, right, by the way, or may have other kinds of advantages. Are there any shortcuts? No. And can I suddenly become a millionaire overnight by doing it? Absolutely not. It's basically a way of earning a return on your money by taking the right kinds of risks with your money. You might be able to increase the rate of return you're making on your money, but you're increasing the volatility that you're subject to in terms of the management of your own money. And you're increasing the chances that you might burn through all of your investment money quite quickly. And for most people who are learning, there will be a period in which one of the costs of learning is losing money. And for some people that goes on for a long time, and for some people it doesn't stop until they've burnt through all the money that they can afford to spend on trading.